G'day everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we are happy to come along and try and explain to you the ways and means of trying to get the greatest life you can out of your hydraulic cylinders. I just want to touch base on how important it is that we keep regular maintenance on our equipment that operates hydraulic cylinders, i.e. keeping regular hourly servicing happening on your plant and equipment. Is very, very important to the lifespan that you can expect to get out of a hydraulic cylinder. Oil cleanliness is the thing that is so critical in the world of hydraulic cylinders. What happens on the inside of them is usually dictated by how clean your oil is. If we're talking equipment that have breakaway couplings involved that connect to your cylinder, the importance of, when they're not in use, good quality caps and plugs. As you'll notice with this one here, it's very tight fitting and firm fitting and very, very good. There are lots and lots on the market out there, but it's important to find yourself a good quality one that works and seals well, keeps the inside of the coupling looking like brand new. Contamination in these areas is what does the most damage to a hydraulic cylinder. The oil that passes through this coupling, the first place it goes to is the hydraulic cylinder. It has not had a chance to be filtered by the track at this point. Hence, all that contamination just gets pushed straight through to your cylinder, which effectively does internal damage to your cylinder. Obviously, also on the market is available good quality dust caps, which are used on the male tip. But what is important more than anything is these breakaway couplings. Looking at the breakaway coupling, making sure they are actually really, really clean before you couple them together. And also watching the area. This leading area around this tip here is very, very critical. If it's been dropped, it's hit the drawbar or something like that, it will usually chip the corner. It will make a mark on it. And what happens when that fits into your breakaway coupling here is it will chop the O-ring and seal on the way in there, which is what causes most leaks. When you have leaks, you have oil that's attracting dust and dirt. And that obviously is how come most breakaway couplings become so dirty and grotty in the first place. So very important that this environment is kept clean anywhere between the piece of equipment that's operating the cylinder and the cylinder. Some of the things to look for are wet areas around the main shaft seal is a very good indicator. Sometimes you'll look very hard on those shafts, particularly around earth moving equipment, your ripper cylinders that operate your tines, your blade cylinders. Particularly look at your shafts when they're fully extended and out. So if it's on a doze or something, roll your blade out, turn it to the side, extend your rods. A lot of earth moving equipment suffers heavily from stone damage or other things that come over the top of blades, land on the shafts, destroy shafts. You get a dent, you get a scratch, anything like that happening on your shaft. Before you know it, that's actually tearing away at the seals, and that's what's going to cause your failure. If you're in the middle of a job or about to start a job, especially at the start of the job, it's worth having a look around these things here to make sure that when you're in the middle of the job, it's not going to cause you any downtime because the cylinder fails on you halfway through the job. So just a few things that you need to be looking at that are very, very clear. Okay, as we come to the end of this episode, I'd just like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to come and watch this video. We at BJ Hydraulics are here to try and serve you the best way we can, give you the best outcome, and we welcome you coming in, and we wish you a great day.